Hey guys, how's it going on? This is third video of Numpy playlist series, and in this video we are going to learn few functions of Numpy. In last video we have seen how to create an array in Numpy. We have seen many functions like np.array function, we have seen np.linspace, also we have seen np.0 and np.1. In this video we are going to learn few functions like how to sort an array in Numpy. Sorting in Numpy is very optimized. Also we are going to learn concatenation. Let's say you have multiple array like array x and array y. Now you want to combine those arrays, so we will learn that thing. Also we will talk about shape, size and dimension. So first here I am going to import Numpy library. Now I am going to create one array. So let's say x is equal to np.array, and inside that I am going to pass few random values like 6, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 1. Now we want to sort this array, so we can use a simple Numpy function. Numpy function is very fast and it is very optimized. I think Numpy use quick sort algorithm to sort. Okay, so we can simply use np.sort function, and inside that I am going to just simply pass x array. You can see that here we are getting sorted array. Okay, now let's add another array inside this x. Yes, you can create a multi-dimension array in x. Like here I am going to just say random values like 5, 1, 2, 9 and 5 and 3. Okay, and just I am going to open and close this bracket. Now you can see that we created 2 row and 6 column. Like this is first row, this is second row, and you can see that this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth column. Okay, now we want to sort this x, so we can use this same function np.sort, and you can see that array is sorted. Okay, so you can see that this array is sorted and this array is sorted too. Now let's talk about axis in Numpy. It is very important. Let's say let me first show. So I am going to pass axis is equal to 0. So axis is equal to 0, that means we want to sort this array by row. So by row, that means it will compare 2 rows, first row and second row, and in that it will sort. So you can see that the number is now moved, interchange. Okay, so it will compare first element of the first row and first element of the second row, and after that it will replace. Okay, you can see that every element is now sorted as per the row. Now let's talk about axis 1. Axis 1, that means you are sorting as per the column. So you can see that it is same as a np.sort. So by default parameter of axis in np.sort is 1. Okay, now let's talk about concatenation. So what is concatenation? Let me create 2 array. Let's say variable 1. Inside that I am going to create one array, that is np.array, and I am going to add numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And I will create another array called variable 2. Inside that I am going to store 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now this is variable 1 and this is variable 2. We want to combine these two array, so we can simply use np.concate function like this, np.concatenate function. Inside that you have to pass two array, like here I am going to pass variable 1 and variable 2. You can see that here we are getting two combined array. This is a combination, this is a 1 to 5, this is a variable 1 and this is a variable 2. Okay, so you can combine array with help of np.concate function. Now let's talk about some dimension, shape and size. First let me create another array. Let's say I am going to create another array like x, and I am going to just say random values like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now I am going to just use x.ndim, so it will return me the dimension of x. So let's say x.ndim. This is an attribute, this is not a function. So you can see that it is returning me 1, that means the dimension of x is simply 1. So if I add here another bracket, so you can see that it is returning us dimension 2, because the dimension of array is now changed because I added this array inside array. That means we have array inside array, that means 2 dimension. I can simply add third dimension like this. You can see that. Okay, so this dimension is very important in machine learning and all kind of things. That's the reason you need to use this function in machine learning algorithm and all kind of this thing. Now let's talk about size and shape. Size is simple. Size means it will return total elements in number in array. So if I just say here x dot size, it will return me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 element, we have 5 element like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is returning us 5 because we have only 5 elements. If I call an x dot shape, that means we want to know shape of variable x. So you can see that it is returning us 3 values in one tuple. The first one is number of size. We have size 5. Okay, 5 size, that's why it is returning us 5. And the second one is number of row. You can see that here we have only one row and this is our dimension. Okay, now we have seen np.xdim, we have seen x size and shape. These functions are very useful. Let's revise once. You can use np.array function to create an array. We saw that in last video. We have used np.sort to sort x or any array. Okay, axis 1, that means row, so I can simply here write row, axis 0, that means row, and column, that means axis 1. By default value of axis, by default value of this np.sort function is axis 1. Okay, so we have seen that things, and after that we have seen this concatenation function that combine 2 array. You can also combine 3 array, like I am going to create a third like this np.array 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I want to combine this third array inside this first and second array, so I can simply pass here variable 3. Okay, variable 3, I have run this. Now you can see that the variable 3 is now added. This is first 1 to 5, this is second 6 to 10, and this is third 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is dimension. You can increase here dimension like this. Now it will show us dimension 4. That's it. You can add more elements like this. I am going to add 8, 9. So you can see that it is showing us size 7 because there are total 7 elements. Okay, and this is shape. It is returning if I change here, you can see that it is returning us this kind of values, because one thing is that here our dimension is 4, that's why it is returning us total 4 value inside our shape. Okay, so this last one value is the total size, this is our number of row, and this is shape, like this is one, this is one first, this is second, this is third, and this is total number of values, that is 7. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question about this, any kind of function, so you can ask me in comment section. So guys, do subscribe, turn on notification bell, and thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.